Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. In this video, we'll see how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word document. So before starting, I'll show you how my Microsoft Word pages are set up. So let me zoom out so you can see all the pages. So if you see, I have four pages here. The first page has content, the third page has content. So let's say you want to remove the last page here. You can just press delete button, which should remove the last page, last blank page. But that will not work for the second page because there are hidden line breaks in between the two pages. I'll show you so what I'm talking about. So press Control Shift 8 in your Windows system and you can see this line breaks here. So this is what causing the extra space here. So once you remove this content will come here and this page will be deleted automatically. So you can achieve this basically by using the backspace key. I'm placing my cursor here and just start deleting each line breaks. So automatically the empty page will be removed. So I hope you understood how to remove a blank page in Microsoft Word. So if you have any other issues, let me know in the comment section below. And please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.